1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
I want the marshmallow. This is Nicole. This is Lyka. And catching up with this one and this one. It's been a while. So yeah.
Now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your high-hole boots with your hip leather suit, it's alright. You're out of sight. And you wear that cute mini skirt with your brother's sloppy shirt. Admit it, girl, that I can't dig it. And I said, so now, baby, you're casting your spell on me.
Karl is the master now of Halo Halo.
Now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your bell bottom pants, I just stand there in a trance. I can't move.
It's Karl's birthday and I just finished night shift. I haven't got a cake, so I'll probably just pick up some pastries.
Now go now with your bad self.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. It's very cute with a purple flower.
When you wear those big earrings, long hair and things, you got style, girl, that show is wild. And you wear that cute.
We are on our way to the Werribee Zoo. We woke up pretty late, but yeah, should be fine. Elephants will still be there, the rhino.
Excited to see the elephants.
Yay!
Their new home. Grabbing. And
Aww.
yeah, it's pretty good. They've built a nice area for them. I thought it was going to be bigger.
Yeah.
I honestly thought it was going to be bigger than this. They said something about 20 square kilometers, but I don't know. Maybe I was wrong. What if it was only 2 square kilometers?
That's the sizes. This is the one we saw here. And that's the African one. Pretty big. So that's like how big the African one. So that's the Asian, and the Asian has the small ears, the African has the wide, big ones.
And then you got forest elephants, which are the same size as Asian elephants, but with bigger ears.
Ooh. I'm glad we wore boots. Pram parking. That's crazy how crazy the line is, but yeah. So Karl's gonna get me a spider.
Yeah, a real one, not one of these.
No, that one. So it's like Coke float in Philippines.
Yeah, you guys call them a float, we call them a spider.
Oh, sorry. It's a spider. It's really like a safari experience with the dust. Because it's Karl's birthday, so Karl has to decide everything.
We are having fish and chips, and then we're gonna go sit on a hill and watch the sunset.
Dinner secured.
mercy, mercy on me. Alright, when you wear those big earrings, long hair and things, you got style, girl, that show is wild. And you wear that cute trench coat and you're standing and posing. You got soul, you got too much soul. I just says to cockaboo, says to cockaboo, says